Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Payoneer account to your Etsy account. And as you can see right here, we are now on the Etsy homepage. So there are two ways of doing this. So for example, you want to buy something. So there are a lot of things on the homepage that you can buy. But firstly, you obviously need to just sign into your account first. Then right here. So for example, I want to buy this one. It will take you to another page. The Father's Day gift, best dad ever. So if you want to buy this product, just click on buy it now here on the right side of the screen. So just click on ship here and then name on card, and as you can see, there's no option for Payoneer. All you need to do is just add your essentials, your name here on the your info here on Payoneer, and then you can just click on review order and you're done. All you need to do is just get your information on Payoneer and then paste it here and it will be over. So the other way to do it is connecting your Payoneer with other wallets and then transferring your money from Payoneer to that wallet and connecting it with Etsy. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.